Have you noticed that almost every free AI video generator follows the same pattern? You create one or two videos, everything looks amazing, and then suddenly you're asked to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're someone who creates content regularly, that becomes frustrating very quickly. So instead of wasting hours testing dozens of websites, I spent my time finding AI video generators that actually let you keep creating without forcing an expensive subscription after just a few attempts. In today's video, I'll show you three incredible AI platforms that can generate high-quality videos for free. Each one is designed for different creators, whether you need cinematic AI videos, talking avatars, product advertisements, or social media content. I'll also share a few tips that can help you get the best quality without spending a single dollar. And if you enjoy discovering hidden AI tools before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe because I upload new AI discoveries every week. Let's begin with the first platform.
Tool number one.
What makes this tool interesting is that it gives free access to several advanced AI video models that are usually locked behind expensive subscriptions. Many people visit the website, see pricing plans, and immediately leave because they assume everything requires payment, but that's not actually true. After creating a free account, you'll notice that some AI models become available without using credits. The platform regularly changes which models are free, so if one model isn't available today, another one usually is. That means instead of giving up after one error, simply switch to another model and continue creating. Before generating your video, spend a few extra seconds writing a detailed prompt. Describe the camera movement, lighting, environment, emotions, and subject actions. The more specific your prompt is, the better your final video will look. This simple trick alone can dramatically improve AI-generated videos. Now let's move to the second AI tool. This one is perfect for creators who produce videos every week because it offers a generous amount of free generations on a regular basis. Besides standard text to video generation, it also includes image generation, avatar creation, voice synthesis, and even AI-powered product advertisements. Imagine uploading a photo of your product and receiving a professional promotional video within minutes. That's incredibly useful for small businesses, affiliate marketers, and online stores. Another feature I really like is the talking avatar system. Instead of recording yourself every time, you simply choose an avatar, type your script, select a voice, and the AI generates a realistic presenter speaking your exact words. Since the platform supports multiple languages and different voice styles, you can easily create videos for audiences around the world without hiring voice actors or recording your own voice. The third platform is especially impressive if you enjoy experimenting with different AI models. Instead of subscribing separately to multiple services, everything is organized in one workspace. You can create videos, generate images, edit existing clips, and improve your content using advanced AI technology. One of my favorite features is AI video editing. Instead of creating a brand new video every time, you can upload an existing clip and simply tell the AI what you want to change. Maybe you want a different background, different weather, new clothing, another camera angle, or extra visual effects. The AI keeps the original motion while changing only the elements you request. This saves an incredible amount of editing time, especially if you're creating YouTube videos, advertisements, or short-form content for TikTok and Instagram. Of course, free AI platforms sometimes have limitations. Servers can become busy, certain models may be temporarily unavailable, and generation speeds might slow down during peak hours. But there are simple ways to work around these issues. If one model isn't responding, switch to another available model. If the server is overloaded, wait a few minutes before trying again. You can also prepare several prompts in advance so that once the service becomes available, you can generate multiple videos quickly without wasting time thinking about ideas. Another important tip is learning how to write better prompts. Don't just write a man walking. Instead, describe the scene like you're directing a movie. Mention the location, lighting, mood, clothing, camera movement, weather, facial expression, and visual style. For example, instead of saying a lion, describe a majestic lion standing on a rocky mountain during golden sunset with cinematic lighting, dramatic clouds, slow camera movement, ultra realistic style. Small improvements in your prompt often produce dramatically better videos. If you're creating YouTube content like me, these tools can save hundreds of dollars every year. You can generate B-roll footage, storytelling scenes, historical recreations, futuristic animations, motivational videos, educational content, or even complete AI advertisements without hiring actors or buying expensive editing software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, AI is making professional video production more accessible than ever before. One thing to remember is that AI technology changes incredibly fast. New models appear almost every month, and today's best free tool might not remain the best forever. That's why it's worth testing different platforms instead of relying on only one. Every AI has its own strengths. Some create more realistic humans, others generate smoother animation, while others produce better cinematic landscapes or special effects. Finding the right tool depends on the type of videos you create. I hope this video helps you spend less time searching and more time creating amazing content. If you found at least one useful AI tool today, make sure you leave a like because it really supports the channel. Subscribe if you want more videos about free AI tools, hidden websites, and the newest AI technology before everyone else. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.